This thumbnail was created by Ryan, and these ones were created by a free AI too. Mr. Beast created these ones, and the AI cooked these ones. Mr. Who's the Boss made this thumbnail, and the AI created these ones. In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to create clickable thumbnails without spending a dime and using free AI tools. Thumbnail editors on Fiverr are gonna charge you somewhere from $5 to hundreds of dollars. However, here is a 100% free method to create clickable thumbnails. Let's get started. For you to create clickable thumbnails, you need to emulate what is already working for other YouTubers. Go on YouTube and search your video ideas. Take a screenshot of the thumbnails that are very appealing to you. Next, go to ChatGPT and upload the thumbnail and ask ChatGPT to describe every detail of that thumbnail. Then ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt for generating a photo similar to the one that you have uploaded. You can tell ChatGPT to retain each and every single detail from the original photo. Then go to Image Effects. Paste your prompt in Image Effects and click Generate. Image Effects is gonna give you 4 thumbnails. Using this method, I created this thumbnail, this thumbnail, this thumbnail, this thumbnail, this thumbnail, and this one. However, this method does not work with all the thumbnails. For example, I wanted to create this thumbnail, but when I followed the method that I described above, I ended up with these photos. Honestly, this is totally different from what I was going for. So I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to generate 2 prompts. One for the green and black background and another one for the sticky figures. Image Effects generated photos with a linear graph. I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to make the space below the linear graph green, just like the original thumbnail. I also asked ChatGPT to display the subscriber count along the x-axis. When I got these 2 photos, I first removed the background of the photo with sticky figures. Then I went to Photopea.com. Photopea is a free tool similar to Photoshop. I dragged all the photos there. I chose this one. I aligned the background to only show the subscriber count. I then adjusted the sticky figures and finally I ended up with this thumbnail. Again, when I was researching how to make thumbnails using AI, some people recommended that I should use piclumen.com. I went there and uploaded this photo. Basically, I wanted to recreate Mr. Beast's thumbnail. I ended up with this photo. Honestly, I wasn't very impressed because the aspect ratio was a little bit off. However, I believe Piclumen can still generate wonderful thumbnails, just like ChatGPT and Image Effects. Thank you so much for watching this video to this far. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours by the end of this year. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, peace out.